everyone.
Hey, hey.
As you can see, we have a guest on the channel today.
Yeah, she's a rather special guest with a lot on her shoulders.
Have you named her yet?
No, I have not.
Oh, she needs a name. What do you all think? What should we
Yeah.
name her?
I have no idea.
Yeah, she needs a name. I don't know what she is. Like, never seen this model before, but this is from our local concrete, I want to say dealer, but store.
It's just a
Store.
roadside stand, really, that has a lot of concrete.
Yeah, a lot of concrete. But we're going to make this a fountain that's going to go in our pond.
Yes.
And today, this is going to be a two-part,
Yes.
two-video series.
Yeah.
And today will probably be a multiple day process
Yes.
because this is going to take a while.
Yeah, because we want to make her look really, really, really nice, and we're going to stain her.
Yeah.
To match our fountain up here in the fountain garden. But
and it will match our unique stone as well because we're doing a green color.
Yeah, we're going to do green, and we're going to, the reason it'll probably take so long is we want to really get a lot of detail in and like stain it different shades, like within her dress, and you know, to bring out a lot of the stuff.
Yeah, this is not going to be the stain like we did in our 3-2 fountain video.
No.
If you haven't seen that video, go take a look at it because we were a little bit
It was the
out
first
of our
time.
element
It was
there.
our very first time, and I think now I just feel a little bit more confident in how it works.
I think we know what we're doing. And number one, we're going to ditch the instructions that's on the
we're just going to we're just going to do it.
Yeah, this is a custom stain.
Yeah.
This is Valspar. Do you want to show them?
Oh yeah, let me pick up the bucket. Valspar concrete stain, semi-transparent.
And this is a custom color. So we did half of one color, half of another. It is a green color.
Yeah.
They did say that they've changed their formulas since we last did our stain for the fountain. So it may not match exactly, but I think it's going to be close.
But I can put up on the screen the formula because they've put it on the tag.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, so I'll put that up there if you're interested in it and you really like the color and you want to get some. I'll put the formula up now. Editing Michael. Put it up now.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by doing some of the details. So she's got great lines in her dress and folds, and the urns have lots of detail in them. We wanna bring that out. So what we're gonna do, and we'll bring you up close here in just a moment to show you, we've got paintbrushes, small paintbrushes, that we're gonna use to paint those details. So everything that recedes, we're gonna paint with stain.
Yes.
Then we're gonna let it dry.
Yep.
Then we're gonna paint it again.
Yep.
Then we're gonna let it dry. Then we're gonna paint it again. So we're gonna do probably 3, 4, maybe even 5 layers because we really want the detail in this statue
to really pop.
Yeah.
Because she's gonna be in our pond and we want her to really kind of like stand out in the area because you know, as you've seen what we have at our pond on either side, there's a lot of plants and stuff. So we want her to be like,
stand out.
Yes.
And she'll be seen from a distance from our road.
Yep.
So we don't want the details to be lost.
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Yep. So here we go.
So this is what I mean by the detail. Now, please don't mind our plants. This is where our plant hoard is. It's behind our building. So you can see the folds in her dress. We want to really accentuate that. So we're going to make all of this right in here darker because the dark is gonna recede. She's got a nice neckline there that we want to bring out. The urns, which there are 2 urns. So in the urn, you can see here all of that detail, and we don't want that to get lost. All of this here, all of the receded parts, we're gonna really stain heavily first, and then we'll go over her again with a full-on stain. And then down here too, we want that detail to be caught. So we're gonna set up the camera and we're just gonna get started painting. All right, we're going to pause to give you an update and kind of show you up close what we're doing. This is very time consuming, but we think in the end it's going to be really nice. I think it's going to give us the detail, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what we've done is anywhere where there was a indentation or some detail, we've just painted it. I mean, it's basically just coloring, even down to her little toes. Now, a lot of the detail on the bottom we couldn't get because it just wasn't, it wasn't indented enough.
Yeah, like the cement, what, cast?
Yeah, it just wasn't enough for us to color, but that's okay. We don't need, it'll still look rustic, I guess, in the end. So we're gonna do maybe 1 or 2 more coats on this one. This is 1 coat here. We're gonna do probably 1 or 2 more. And it's drying very quickly, so
yeah,
we're just gonna keep moving. Okay, so we're a couple weeks later.
Quite literally a couple weeks later.
We had to take a break, yeah. So we've got all the detailing done, as we mentioned. Now we're just gonna stain it. We will blot as we go, because it's probably gonna run a little bit. We'll do a couple of different coats. We'll see what the color looks like, and then we'll go from there if we need to do a third.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. You can do this with a spray bottle, and the directions actually say to use a spray bottle, but we found out last time it wasn't really necessary, and it didn't make a difference. It probably will go on a little faster to do it that way, but we're just gonna do it with a foam brush.
Yeah.
So here we go. So here we go. We stopped recording at some point because coat after coat after coat. You get the point. We just put it on, wiped it off, put it on, wiped it off. We did 3 coats total-ish. 4 maybe. Maybe 4.
Some areas
it got to a point where it stopped getting dark, so I just kind of stopped and left it alone. And this is a good shade. I think this is where we want it to be. This is going to match our unique stone, which is in the amber green, really well. And I'm glad we did the darker first, because it really kind of sets off those indentations and gives us the detail that we would have lost otherwise. So I think this turned out really well. Now we get to install it.
Stay tuned for part 2.
We're going to do that in a separate video because we do have to transport this all the way down our driveway, back around the back of the pond, and place it in the pond. So what that looks like, we have an idea. I have an idea.
A rough general idea.
I know what we're going to do, but whether it works out or not, I'm not sure yet. I'm pretty sure it's going to be fine. It does have tubing already run up through the top to here. So we do need to, we're going to get a pump. We're going to test the pump first. Because if we don't get one that's strong enough, we're going to have to run it quite a ways before it actually gets to the base of the fountain. So we're going to have to get a pretty strong pump. But other than that, I think this turned out really well. The staining part is done. The base didn't come out quite as well. I think it's a different kind of concrete, and it just didn't soak up the stain like this part did. But, you know, you're not going to really look at the base.
It's going to be covered in water most of the time.
It's not really going to matter. And once it gets water on it, it's going to be really nice. So anyway, I think that's going to do it for this one. So join us next time for the install. So be sure you subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you love the color, if you hate the color, if you love the process, if you hate the process, if you've done this yourself, we want to hear.
Or if you would have done anything differently.
Exactly. Yeah. Let us know. We're happy to listen to your comments, and we always reply back. So anyway, what are they going to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe, like
We
you
really
said
appreciate you. Yeah.
earlier.
I did kind
He
of,
stole the
yeah.
thunder.
Sorry. That's his line. So anyway, thanks so much for watching.
Yeah.
We really appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.